Yes, put ourselves in the presence of God.
In the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Lord God, we ask you to make our door lock opening successful. Extend your full security to our door lock. It may provide the safest security for our office and for the people and occupants inside the office. This we ask. We ask for us.
Amen. People around the world, welcome to the Door Lock Opening 2010 of the Nation Builder. Rita.
The paper is to an important extent written with people is not by them, and in the sense that it's written for them. This can be defined quite reasonably in terms of an interest larger than the newspaper itself, the interest of changing the society. The press is alternately a cause and an effect of the growth of intelligence among the people.
Oh, its conductors are at once learners and teachers. They are themselves paraded upon by the master spirits of the age who bring forth to their closest the moral and intellectual discoveries which have distinguished this period. And they, in turn, after subjecting the new opinions to the ordeal of criticism and establishing their correctness, diffuse them by the mighty of the periodical press.
The press is unquestionably the most powerful instrument for forming public opinion. The average man suffers from a large degree of selfishness to the printed page, with a propensity to accept as true everything that it presents, developing his thinking on public questions from the facts presented to him by the newspapers and magazines. Thus he reads. The press contributes to the formation of public opinion in three ways: a reporter of events, and as an exponent of ideas, and as a withered cock. Through the lens of events flows the power of journalism. Go.